guys, finally our print module is ready, so let's check it out. First, we would like to introduce you a little bit more about the control panel, which is very important. It's like a brain for this machine. So firstly, you can see this is the home page interface. It has temperature, time, pressure, and mode, status, duration, advanced setting, and pressing counting. Okay, so temperature, time, and pressure actually is exact the same how you do the setting. To go to the setting interface, you could either to press this, or you could press set to get into a setting interface. So it's the same for both temperature, time, and pressure. So more importantly, I'd like to introduce you the time setting interface, because you can see we have three different time setting, which is single press, double press, and triple press. Okay, so for single press, if we you could choose single press, double press, or triple press. So if we choose single press, we go to setting, then you could have the time. So you could set time whatever you want. Like for sublimation blanks, usually, for example, we could set as 45 seconds, then go back. Because most likely the sublimation only needs a single press. But if you're going to do DTF transfer, then you want to do pre-press and pressing, then you could go here. So pre-pressing we could set as like 5 seconds, and pressing time we could set as for example 10 seconds, then we go back. So it's the 2-time setting. If we go back to the default setting, you could see it's 2-time setting. But if you need triple press, which means pre-pressing, pressing, and repressing, okay, it's the same as, for example, we set as pre-pressing as 5 seconds, pressing time as 10 seconds, repressing as 3 seconds. So this is the whole process for the transfer: pre-pressing, pressing, and repressing. Okay, so this is the most important difference of the time programming. We have single, double, and triple. It depends on different types of say printing process you need. For example, now we go with triple pressing, and then go back. Pressure, it's the same. Then usually for DTF transfer, we set as 50 psi will be good enough, and the maximum psi for press module is 75 psi. We do not suggest users to use this presses with the pressure that is higher than 75 psi. So usually for DTF transfer, we use as 50 psi would be good enough. And mode is manual, auto, and semi-auto. So manual means that you need to manually move the platen from left to right, and also manually press it. Then the heat pattern could go down, but it will open automatically. And semi-auto means that you need to manually move it from left and right, but it will go down and up automatically. Automatically means that you don't need to do anything. It will go right and left and down and up automatically. So this is the 3 mode. We will show you how it works later. And duration setting, this is very important, especially if you choose the auto model. That means that if you, for example, we set at 5 seconds, means that after this pressing is done, it will go up, and it will wait for 5 seconds, and then move from left to right. This is a very important function when user is choosing auto model, because if they cannot manage to finish loading or pinning the transfer within the printing time, which is 10 seconds, then it's necessary that they need to set the duration time, and that depends. That will be different from different workers. Means the speed and how experienced the worker is. So the duration setting is very, very important. And advanced setting, let's see what kinds of advanced setting we have. And most important function is that you can see we have preset parameter, temperature calibration, and contact support. And here is also you could switch from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is a very important function. Presetting, you have temperature, time, name, and pressure. So we always go with name setting first because we have 10. We give you 10 different group of setting. So first you select the time. For example, you have DTF, you have MDF, ceramic, Preciso, and whatever. So if you choose DTF, then you do the presetting. Then no, go back. So the name is ready. Then you choose the DTF. Then we could set it's the same as how you set the time temperature. So we go with 140 degrees, and time we go with triple. Pre is 5 seconds. Pressing we put it 10 seconds. Repressing we put it as 5 seconds. Now the presetting for DTF is done. So if you want to use DTF, so you just go here. And next, so now if we go back, then the machine is under DTF setting. You see, the set is 150 and the time is triple. So this is how presetting works. Okay, so again, you could do the same for all of the other settings. It opens 10 different groups for you to do the setup. So then you could do the setup first, then in future you just choose whatever you want. You don't need to do temperature and time setting every time. Okay, so this is how pre-setting works. And temperature calibration, because this is our own developed PLC program, so it's quite easy. Just do this. Press this, then it will show green. Then once it's done, it will turn it will turn red. Then it's done. So we don't need to mirror, or we don't need to change the PB like the Prisma Auto we have. What you need is just to press this. Then it will start do the calibration, and once the calibration is done, the light will turn from red to green, and then you're ready to go. Okay. So, and another is suppose contact support. Here we will have a QR code. Then when user have a QR code, will be including all the tech support videos. When customer have any issues, they just scan this QR code, so they could get navigated to all the related tech support videos. Then the customer can do the troubleshooting by themselves. Okay, I think that's all for this control panel introduction.